On today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make the Cardi B hair mask treatment, and I also will be applying it to my 4C type natural hair. Make sure you guys watch this video for the full results, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you did actually like the video.
Catch a broke bitch throwing that shade, put the fire in her face. Now I caught a bitch sunny. Nah, these hoes ain't getting no money, my bitches come through.
To start off by making this mask, I used all of these products. Everything will be in the link in the description below, so make sure you guys read that to see what all I put in this hair mask to make sure you guys make it the correct way. First off, you want to start off by cutting your first avocado. I also cut the second one to just save me some time. Now, since we've cut our first and second avocado, we're going to take the first avocado and place that in a bowl. Basically, you see what I'm doing? Just copy what I'm doing. It's very simple and very easy, y'all. I'm telling you. And then we're just going to start off by taking the argan oil itself and putting a lot of oil in there. I know that she stated that oil is very important, and you're going to put so much oil up in this. She also said to apply a large, extra large scoop of mayo up in the product also. When it comes to the honey, you're going to want to make sure that you put a little bit up in there. So I just put, some surrounding the bowl, just because of the simple fact that the honey will make your hair very sticky. And after you got all those products in there, you're just going to want to give it a good stir. Basically, make sure all the chunks of the avocado is mashed up also. Now you're going to apply the first egg in there. Here's the fun part where you got to top it off with some Castro oil. For this part, she never said to add any wild growth in it, but I made sure I did because I know that's good for my hair. And after I added that in there, I just mixed it all up once again. Also, I don't know how much of what we're supposed to put in there, but I put the olive oil in to the mix now. And then I also stirred that up, gave it a very, very good stir. So for this part, you're going to take the second avocado and just place it up in there also, and just make sure all the chunks are not really in there, because of the simple fact that the chunks could get stuck in your hair itself. Here's the part where we finally take the banana, and I also just decided to blend up everything to make it very easy, because I was very confused on how I was about to mix up a banana into this mix. And then I also took the last and final egg and placed it in there also. So as you see, I'm trying to make sure I put every single speck of that mix into this blender, because I'm a firm believer of not wasting anything, especially when it comes to my hair, even though I just bought it. And you want the mix to look just like that, as smooth as that. So now it is the time to definitely place this into my hair. I'm just going to start off by parting my hair into 4 parts itself, as you can see. So now with the first part of this section of the hair that I want to start on, I'm just going to part a smaller part out of that larger part, and then comb it out and just start to place the hair mask on my hair itself. And you want to make sure you get basically the scalp, the ends, every inch of your hair. Honestly, I honestly feel like it would definitely help you if you did that to your hair. And then you just apply the mask to each other sections just like that, in all small sections, and make sure you're combing out each section while you're doing it, because it's going to really help. So I enjoyed seeing my curl pattern when I applied this mask to my hair. I do have a relaxer in there, but it's kind of old now, so my, curls are coming back. And honestly, I really do like the curls, but I don't like the fact that my hair is so thick, y'all. So this mask definitely helped my hair more, like, become more soft, so I was able to comb through it. Okay, I didn't break a comb, so everything was good. So it took me about 2 hours to apply the mask into my hair and also make the mask itself, because I wanted to make sure that I got every inch of my hair. Obviously, I just went through it with the remaining mask, stuff that I did have over, because I didn't want to waste any products. And if it took me that long to make something, I definitely wanted to, get my money's worth. So then I just applied a bag onto my head and I let it sit in there for like a good 20 to 15 minutes. After that, I took a shower and washed my hair with some good shampoo and conditioner. I would recommend using your favorite one. I did like the way that it made my hair feel. It made it feel very soft. And so then I managed to make sure that I braided my hair in 2 French braids, because of the simple fact that you cannot blow dry it, because you did just put eggs in there, so you don't want no eggs to be cooking up on your hair. So basically I just braided 2 French braids into my head, and then I put a bonnet on because I just went to sleep. And then I woke up the next day, applied some Blue Magic in my hair, and then some sulfate grease. Basically, it doesn't matter, just put some grease in your hair. I took the braids out, and the reason why I put the grease in was to give it some more moisture. And so once I combed that out, I basically saw a lot of results in my roots part. The roots was very soft. It was very nice to be able to comb through my roots without, breaking the comb, like I said before. But the ends, definitely, I should get my ends cut for real. But I honestly enjoyed this mask and I do recommend it.
Catch a broke bitch throwing that shade, put the fire in her face. Now I caught a bitch sunny. Nah, these hoes ain't getting no money. My bitches come through.